Hello all. In this video, we are going to solve question number 2 under expression evaluation in JNTU R18 C language syllabus. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my terminal and I'll navigate to desktop. There, I'll create a directory and I'm going to name it as EE question 2. And then I'm going to navigate to question 2 and open the same in VS Code. Okay, now my VS Code is open. So I'm going to create a file and name it as calculator.c and copy the question and comment the same. Okay, and we'll start write the program. In order to write the program, we need main function, and also in order to read and write data from the console, we need printf and scanf. And regarding those concepts, I already made a separate video, and I'm gonna leave that video link in the description. So please gonna check that before you actually solve this question. So we're gonna start writing the program. So I'm gonna write void main, as we are supposed to read name two operands, right? So printf enter two operands, and then I'm gonna read %d ampersand. I'll call it as operand 1, and second one I'll call it as operand 2. We did not declare them, right? So we are supposed to declare the same. So operand 1 and operand 2. Now also we are supposed to read the operator as well. So we'll ask printf enter an operator, and we're gonna scanf, okay, into operator. So it's basically a character, so I'm going to give %c and I'm going to declare character operator. Okay, now we're going to use switch concept, and regarding switch also I made a separate video. Again, I'm going to leave that video link in the description. You can go and check that video in order to understand how to write the switch statements in C program. Okay, based on the operator that user entered, we are gonna supposed to branch it, okay, or write the cases. So if user entered plus, what we're gonna supposed to do is addition. So we're gonna write 3, 4, 5, and also we are supposed to write the default case too. So we're gonna write default case as well, and we'll change one is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna declare int result so that we can store the same in result equal to operand 1 plus operand 2. Same thing we'll copy paste here, and here what we are supposed to do is operand 1 minus operand 2. Same thing here, operand 1 into, and same thing division, and then modulus, and we'll make it clean, okay, so that will look nice. So we need to print the result, right? So here only we'll try to print, telling that printf addition of operand 1 and operand 2 is result. So that is what I'm going to store, okay. In first %d we're going to have operand 1, and in second %d we're going to have operand 2, and the third one we have the result, okay. So that is how when it prints it'll replace %d with operand 1, operand 2, and result, okay. We'll copy this and do the same thing for rest of the things as well. all we have to do is, instead of addition, here we're going to put subtraction, okay, and then here multiplication, division, and then this is modulus, right? So basically for printf and scanf to work, we are supposed to include the header file. So I'm gonna include the header file stdio.h, and here semicolon is missing, and I'll try to make it pretty, okay, by putting proper spaces. Okay, prettifying is done, so I'll give some new lines as well, so that the code looks neat, and if anybody looks at our code, they can easily understand our logic too. So printf, we can call it as invalid option or invalid operator entered, and supported operators, or we can give plus, minus, division, and then modulus. And then for modulus to work now, we are supposed to give another modulus. That is how printf can actually interpret it as modulus and multiplication. And we are also going to put new lines so that it would look nice. Okay, I'm going to put new lines for all these printf statements. Okay, I'm done putting all new lines, and this is the time that we will open our terminal and compile it. Calculator.c. I'm going to give my output file name as calculator, and success, no errors, nothing. So I'm going to run. I'm going to give calculator, enter two operands, 5 4. I want to do addition. Okay, 5 4 is 9, and then I'm gonna run it again. This time I'm going to do 5 4. This time I'm going to do minus 5 4 is 1, and this time we're going to do multiplication, same thing, 5 4 multiplication is 20, and this time we're going to give division, so 10 and 2 I'm going to give, so it's going to be 5. So first I am supposed to give it, yes, 5, and this time I'm going to give 10 2, and I wanted to calculate modulus, so it should be reminder, so 0, yes, success. But also there are some cases, okay, if you want this program to be perfect, what you can do is, particularly when division by 0, don't allow it, because it's going to go infinity. You can go put an if condition, and you can actually make sure all those edge cases are met in this program. So for this program, what I'm going to do is, just to improve it a little bit, I wanted to remove this result. Okay, so remove this just one result what do you call it, variable, and I'm going to do all this operand 1 and operand 2 thing directly. Okay, what we're going to do is, we're going to exit this so that it will be clean. So directly in the place of result, I'm going to put this same thing. I'm going to go here to it, delete it. Okay, and again same thing for multiplication, same thing for division and modulus. Okay, basically the output will not be changed. The only change is we are not using this result intermediate variable to store the result. Okay, so directly I can do this, it will still work. So technically there is no, there wouldn't be any change in the output. Again we are gonna compile it, no errors, nothing, run it. 5 and 4 plus, correct, 5 and 4 minus, correct, and 5 and 4 multiplication, correct, and then division, 5 and 2 division, correct, and then 10 and 2 I'm going to give modulus 0, correct. The code is working fine. If you like this video, please do go ahead and like and share and subscribe to this channel, so that it will be motivating for me to make more videos like this. Thank you. watching this video.